up, guys? Good morning, Philippines! Today's video, we're going to buy quail. It did not lay eggs anymore, so it's eatable. So I'm with Kitoy, my cousin. Good morning, Philippines. Murag way kinabuhi, Kit. Tabag sagit, Kit. Good morning, Philippines! Today's video! It's a joke.
Gagmay naman to. Mga gagmay naman ito ibilin.
Dayon?
Wala man. Ato kahapon. Muna ito ibilin. Anong paliton to?
Ha?
Anong paliton? Mga gagmay naman to.
Hala na. Basta kayo aligya. Uy, gama humot lagi.
Saron.
Ah. Wow. Do you know what is this? What type of flower leaves is this? You know? I think this is a nest bird. Maybe. So let's go to the quail's house, guys. Uy, pagkatakuas kalaha iyo. Pagkatakuas kalaha. Adi na, magkakaroon. Here, guys. Here's the owner, guys. I'll show you the eggs of the quail, guys. What happened to this bird? Lot of eggs, guys. Eggs. There, the quails. Guys, we're here also. He is also selling a chicharon. So, he's such a talented person. Here, look. Chicharon. So, what's your name, Kuya? What's your ngalan, Kuya?
Lloyd.
So, I will buy one pack, guys. Okay. Guys, where those quails came from. So he's also incubating eggs. So how many days to incubate this, Kuya?
18 days.
18 days only?
10 days much na sila.
Saan mo pagkabalo nga ang iyang kainiton ba? How did you know the...
Naman sa temperature tira. Naman sa temperature tira.
Oh,
Nagtulo na temperature na ko mo.
37.4.
Mga pa rin siya na 37.8. Palong na siya. Lumustart na pagka 37.0. Mamanin mo ko eh.
Wow. But you need to change that in temperature also.
Dili na. Pag hangtod mo watch na siya.
Oh. So, ikaw rin, kuya, nagkunik-kunik, convert.
Oh, yan para sa
Wow, he's such talented person, guys. So no need to buy.
Hindi na. Mahal kayo, mga 10 to 20,000 ang pan.
It takes thousands, but this one, how much you spend to buy these things?
Ra. Mga 1,000 na dagoy ako. More or less na na.
Wow! So talented, guys. So he is so lucky. Palit na mig itlog dito. 20. We will buy also egg, guys. Because Esther wants to eat also egg and also Precious.
20 pesos inyo?
50 pesos.
At mga 50 pesos ra.
Oh.
Kuan pila ba?
Kaysa 10, 25.
So 20.
So 20, 50 pesos.
Mga ito na siya adubuhon.
Itlog adobohon? Dun ansa.
Doon ang sa adubuhon. Ito ang oyster. Kabalaw lang.
So here in Philippines, guys, if you live here, it's just a technique and a hard work. Wow. Whales. Ladies, eggs. Di sila kaon sa? Di ko din sila mahuddan.
Kinahanglan din na sila kung nagka.
Record, batay, ang balihog.
Guys, it's already cooked.
Gila.
Delicious.
Ato dugangan ni koy man ang prito mo ubay.
Parisig luto. Okay.
Mm. Okay. It's delicious, but it's a little bit hard.